future, justice, and grace. Hello, everyone. My name is Tiết. I'm 5 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm stuck out class and see sunrise. Today, I'll talk about the mountain destinies. Do you see that really tall mountain? It is not the Moor Mountain. It is called volcano. You can say volcano. It is very hot. Very beautiful magma. The magma sits and rays like soup. A volcano is different, but sometimes the mountain wakes up. The ground begins to shake and rumble. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Smoke starts to add on the top. Great ash flying through sky. It looks like a big dark cloud. And suddenly, boom! A volcano erupts. The red magma comes shooting out. But there's an air we call lava. The lava flows the outside field. It looks like a real fire. Slowly, the lava begins to cool down. It turns hot and becomes black rock.